Data types in Oracle. There are different data types in Oracle. Number data type is one of them. Number data type is used for number value. It's called numeric value. If we need number value in PLSQL programming, we have to declare variable with data type and size. Number data type is used for numeric value. In PLSQL, in declare section, we have to declare and data type. Here data type is number and size 3 digits. We can also declare as salary number without size. It means accept value up to maximum size of number data type. And salary number 7, 2. It means with 2 decimal places. Number 5. Colon equal sign is used to assign value to variable. We can declare variable in these ways. With size, without size up to maximum, declare with decimal places. We can declare and initialize value at the time of declaration. As we already practiced built-in Oracle function, SQL function in previous SQL video series, all those built-in functions can be used in PLSQL program, and in that way. These functions are used with number value and number variables. Round function. Round 10.23, 1. It means only hold 1 decimal place after decimal point. Round 10.23, 0. Here result will be 10 and here 10.2. There is also trunc function. It is similar to round, but it only removes decimal places whatever we want. 10.25, 1. Here result is 10.2. Here result is 10.3 because of round. Here result is 10.2. This 1 decimal place will be removed because we want to. Trunc function only truncates, removes decimal point. But round function always check that one going to remove or trunc. It is 5 or greater than 5, then add 1 to this number. All built-in functions we can use all here with number values. Here, as salary is declared with number size 7. Here we declare with 2 decimal places. When we declare data type with size and without mentioning decimal places size, then number will be displayed without decimal point. When we declare n with value 10.25 with the round function, we apply round number function to n, then these are decimal places which we want to display with number. So we mention here 1 means 1 decimal place. 1 digit is 2, 10.2. Here is 10.2. Here is 10.3 with round, with the trunc 10.2. Because trunc function only truncates or remove decimal places. Round that the number is 5 or greater than 5, then round off the number and add to this. And we can use all number functions in PLSQL with number data type.